company was set up by my grandfather in 1952. We were into goods transportation, and till 1987, we went to the same line of business, and then we forwarded into the gasoline transportation with Indian Oil Corporation, and since then, with just a fleet of 5 vehicles with Indian Oil, we have grown into a big fleet of 250 plus vehicles, and the whole business is managed by my whole family. It was earlier managed by my grandfather, then my father, and then we two brothers are managing the same. It was a whole different ball game back then. When our grandfather used to manage the companies, there were no telephone lines or nothing like that. So it was just that he used to make trunk calls to the different petrol pumps which are near the vehicle loading locations, and we used to give the messages out there. And when the vehicle came for fueling, we used to got to know that the vehicle was there, and after that, uh, the tracking was like that only. So when the use of mobile phones came in 90s, so then small thing came better, that not the drivers were having the mobile phone, but all the plants and all the petrol pumps which were near the locations, they were having mobile phones and telephone lines. So we used to track the vehicles like that. That every night we used to make calls for the different locations, that tomorrow morning these vehicles will report there, they should report there, and if they didn't report there, we were tensed that vehicle should have reported there, because there was no technology to track the vehicles. And when the GPS thing came, it has been a blessing for us, because every day we can just open our laptop and check the vehicle's location. So it's really made a difference in our line of business, and to manage a big fleet, it's god given. Before the GPS technologies, we were just at the mercy of the drivers to inform us that they have reported that they have reached the loading plants and unloading plants, because we are carrying hazardous material in our vehicles. So any delays are quite tense for us, because we need to deliver the product on time with safety and everything. So before the GPS devices, there was no tracking for the vehicles, and every night the vehicles used to go for the fueling, and we used to call the petrol pumps to get the status of these vehicles. And after that, the mobile phones came, and then there was a bit ease in doing the business, because we used to call the drivers every day to know the status and update it on our systems, that the vehicles have reported done this much kilometers and are near the unloading plants. But since the GPS devices came, it has been a whole different ball game, because now we can look for the vehicles anytime we can open our screens and look, the vehicles have reported there's a delay in vehicle uh, on the way, the vehicle is standing at the same place for a long time, or anything we can just check from the GPS devices. The GPS service is same for everyone. All the companies are using devices from one or the other company, which are most likely same. But the main thing that pulled us towards Fleetex was the way the service team handled our queries, because our vehicles are placed all over India. So to get a service manager at all the locations was a big thing. Earlier there were a lot of issues in this thing, because the company size was not that big, that didn't have the large support team or at all the locations, and for us to make the vehicles wait for 2 days for the service engineer to visit was not an option. So we just kept on changing the companies for looking for a better service thing, and then the interface the other companies used to provide was not up to the mark, and the changes we required were never implemented in them. So we were never satisfied with the earlier companies. There are a lot of features which are exclusive to Fleetex, according to me, because of from all the companies I have used, this company is providing me those services. It's like the job creation thing they have created. Earlier, we used to create jobs on their website with a manual. It was a manual thing that when our vehicle was loaded, we used to check the status of the vehicle near the loading plant and start our job. So when we joined with Fleetex, I requested that if was there a way to make this thing automated, So on my request, they made this whole thing automated. So I have marked all my loading and unloading plants on their website, and now whenever my vehicle leaves the loading plant, my vehicles are automatically tagged for as being loaded on a job. And whenever the vehicle reports to any unloading plant and is there for a few certain amount of time, the vehicle is unloaded there. So it's a very automated thing that has been created for me. And earlier we used to just make the entries in ERP system for the same. Now it's all been automated. And further, the route option they are providing, that I can make a route for my whole journey along with the tolls which will be borne by the vehicle. So it's very easy for me to make a new route for a vehicle, because I can check that the other route is better, it has less tolls and the roads are better, looking better, there's no traffic on those. So I can make a route for my vehicle and I can instruct my drivers to take that route. Earlier the driver was telling me that we have taken this route and that route. Now we instruct them to take the routes. Thank you, FleetX.